How about this polo here?
I forgot that one was in there. I want to do 5 on that one because I paid $100 for that shirt back in the day.
Hello.
Hi.
How y'all doing today?
How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing all right. How much you got on your shoes? Those black, the black and red Jordans there. $3 on these, you said?
He said 10, but I'll take 8.
Okay. I mean, I love this house. Look at this thing.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Look at that.
Yeah, I've been here 20 years.
20 years.
They say 20.
They say.
Yeah. It's been a long while. Man said a thing in the mail today, he wanted to buy my house.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's what people always say.
And you told them no, right?
That's what I tell them.
So you're just going to stay right here.
Yes. They go back porch and
Deer foams, huh? All right, I'm going to think about these slippers here, and I'm going to go across the street and look over here. I'll be right back.
okay. All right.
Hi.
What's up?
How you doing?
Good. Let me know if you see anything you like.
Oh, it's your stuff here? Okay.
I'll give you a good deal on it.
All right.
Now put it in this hole.
How much on your bag here?
It's a baby changer.
Oh, okay.
It's a Vera Bradley.
Mm-hmm.
$3.
I'll do it.
Alright.
Pointer brand bag. How about that one?
I did 2 on that one.
All right, there's 5 so far. Eight tracks, what do you got on them?
I did a whole box for $5.
Whole box for $5.
Yeah.
Huh. Conway Twitty. Carpenters. I'd have definitely done it if that game was in there.
I don't even know what I got, man.
All these CDs as well.
The whole box, $5.
Dawson's Creek. You don't look like a Dawson's Creek kind of guy to me. Ronnie Milton. What the heck? I'll do $5 on it.
Okay.
Santa Clara Council. Our Western heritage. Pioneer remote.
See that on Craigslist?
No, I was just driving around today. I was doing a little freestyling.
Labor Day weekend, man. It's hit or miss.
Yeah, there were so many. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna pick one out and then just drive around after that.
The Tampa Hillsville, man.
Yeah, I know.
Very disappointed in that.
Yep. It's too bad.
I look for that every year.
Yeah, it's good stuff. You to go down there and buy or to sell?
Trade, buy.
Uh-huh.
Not to sell. I sold one here.
Right.
Years ago.
How much are your hats?
Just depends, like on the baseball hats.
Uh-huh.
I do $1 or $2. Depends which one it is.
Polo shirt?
This one?
It's a purple one.
I do $1 on.
Yeah, I got a little stain on it. How about this one?
Do $1.
Okay. How about this one right here? What's this guy?
On the back. Stitching.
It's falling apart a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's still.
How much you asking?
I do $2 on it.
$2. Hand tooled, man. That's a nice bag. It is falling apart though.
Stitching thing on the back.
Yeah.
It's really good leather work.
Well, I think I'm gonna pass on it anyways, but thank you for the price. All right, unless I'm missing something here.
Take your time, man. I said $1, and I'll do I'll do 3 for the 2 hats.
3 total. $1, 4.
I'll do $1 on that.
I don't know. I don't know anything about
Let's see, we're at 10,
it's just the year I was born, so I'm like, hey, you know. Hey. Let me see.
13.
Let me look in your clothes
I'll just
here.
throw it in with it. It's fine.
All right, well, that's a deal.
We're up to 13 right now.
All right, good. That'll work.
Yeah, I got a lot of clothes, man. Men's and everything.
Long tails. How about this guy here?
$1.
$1 deal. I'll take it. Vineyard Vines. Is that in good shape?
So 15.
Okay. How about this polo here?
I forgot that one was in there. I want to do 5 on that one because I paid $100 for that shirt back in the day.
Deal. I'll do it.
That's at the 20.
Pima cotton. I ain't got a stain on it. What is this thing here? Tigger bowling shirt.
Yeah.
1 little stain, 2 little stains on it. How much?
$2 on it.
It's got a little, yeah, I'm gonna do $2 on that. That's cool. You totaling this up? Because I forgot already.
We're at 22.
Cruising USA bowling shirt. 1997. I wish it had a logo on the front of it. I like the back though.
Shirt. Do $1 on that. You want it?
Now you're making it hard. I was about ready. Hey, you've been good. Let's go ahead.
23.
We'll do it. Okay. I think I'm good. 23, huh? It's 20. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's awesome.
3 bags. Clothing.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate you, man.
All right. Hey, good luck. All right, so are these men's sizes or ladies' sizes? They're men's sizes. $3? How much? how much you want on them? Oh, you funny. Earphones. I'm gonna buy 2 of them from you.
Okay, honey, keep going.
They fit me. Thought I had a 5 in there. It is. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
See ya.
You don't want those Jordans, huh?
Yeah, I'm sure. Sorry. All right. I'll tell you what. I've been looking. I have these chairs underneath my tree in the backyard. So I'm going to grab this one too.
Okay.
I need an extra one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I said I got here right before you closed, I see.
Yeah.
How much you asking on your shirts?
He had like polos and all, or like $2 a piece, but the dress shirts, oh no, he didn't put, I don't think he put any dress shirts down in there. Yeah, the pants are 3, these are 3.
Okay. Shirts are 2.
But these are like 2.
Okay. Small. Well, what size are they? Mediums. They're in good shape. I could buy a lot of them. I don't like doing one-offs of these, but maybe a lot.
Put it on your thing over here.
2. That's a huge size. 3. 3 for $5 maybe?
Yeah, nothing in the
I know, I see it though. I want it so bad.
yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Now that I got all this stuff out, maybe I can actually get in there and clear out.
It's all a process, right?
It sure is.
Uh-oh, look at this thing. Oh, it's coming out.
Oh yeah, you do
Yeah.
slide back up in there.
Do I want to get that? That's the question.
Here, Dodger.
Yeah, I think I'll wait to get a match. I have the old ones though. I can't even think of the name brand right now that have the little slider on it. And I have 2 of them, and I have room for 1 more, but I think I'll wait. We do 2 for $5 on these?
Sure.
Or excuse no, I'm sorry.
It's-
You said $2 a piece.
Yes,
3.
yes.
You
Uh-huh.
you knew what I meant.
Uh-huh.
I think, anyways.
Oh, let's see.
1,
There we
2,
go.
3, 4, 5. All right. Well,
All
thank you
right,
so much. You have a great day.
Uh-huh.
It's always risky business to dig through these,
Yeah, thank you.
but some of them are good money. Send that to Lonnie. I don't think it'd fit him. Small. What do you think? Think they'd fit Lonnie? All right, I normally wouldn't buy normal polos, but same size, pastel-y, springy colors. Put them all together in a lot. We'll make like 10, 15 bucks probably.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. Now, what would a day be without a ashtray? How much for your ashtray?
50 cents.
That's the right price. I'll buy it. Here's 50 cents for that.
Yes,
Thank you. I
thank
appreciate
you.
it.
All right.
What's a day picking without an ashtray, right? Y'all, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Well, look at this. That thing is awesome. Probably sells for good money, but 1984. It just isn't in good shape. There's stickers on there too. It stinks. How y'all doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Oh, pretty good.
You liking that little record player?
Yeah, you know, I love it. Just the stickers in it, and it's just, How much you asking on it?
$20. It actually still works.
Does it? I would do that in a heartbeat if it wasn't for the stickers on the inside of it, because it's cool.
Yeah. It was my first record player when I was
Oh, it was yours, huh?
Yeah.
1984.
Yep.
Best year ever. Or 86. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. It's actually not in bad condition. Pretty good condition, actually. So the strings. Tailors. Men's 5 check tailors. It's pretty small. How much on your shoes?
$2.
Anything else you see?
No, I'm looking around hard, but I think
well,
that's probably
that's
going to do it.
all right. Well, you know, you always ponder if you decide to come back. We're going to do it Monday also.
Okay.
So if there's something that you think about, you can always come back.
Around the neck magnifier.
Sound good. They hang some money on them. They know I'm not going to move.
Thank y'all.
Have a good day.
I just want to give you a quick thank you for stopping by, checking out our channel. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see what we're selling this stuff for, head over to the Commonwealth Flipper channel and you can check us out over there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.